Okay, fine. Quickly about myself again. I'm Vishwanath. I'm working in the Google currently as a senior cybersecurity, principal cybersecurity engineer. And again, meanwhile, how come this data analyst and again data engineer? Basically, I used to work with like multiple technologies. And again, my technology starts with like in the beginning, network engineer, and again after that cybersecurity engineer, and again after that DevSecOps engineer, and again the Python full stack engineer, and after that cloud, all the three cloud data analyst engineers, especially data engineering concepts. I want to get the data from the one format, and again how to extract and again load the data to the other formats with automation wise with the Python, PySpark modules, and again with the data analyst concepts also. And again, not only doing that, we need to secure the data. That is what like end-to-end data loss preventions in my areas. And again, currently my task is completely cybersecurity data analyst engineering in the multiple clouds. Clear, right, about myself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, who is the latest one chat? Okay. Jasmeer Ali. The part thing, just first we need to understand what is data analytics and again data analysis and again data analyst. If you understand these three concepts, then again we can be able to understand easily. Generally, like everyone will feel that like finance analyst and again information analyst and again the business analyst, those jobs are different from the data analyst. Those jobs are nothing but gathering the business requirements and again collecting the data and again predicting the data into the market level. That is what like company perspectives. But if you concentrate this data analyst, but that is like basic building blocks to understand data analyst. Clear, right? So I want to give this before jumping into this concept. See here, junior data analyst, business intelligence analyst, reporting analyst, data visualization specialist, market research analyst, financial analyst, operational analyst, product analyst. There is like multiple jobs will be there. But all these jobs are into now one job that is called as a data analyst. There is only one job is called as a data analyst come data engineer. Have you heard about anything data engineer? Data.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Meanwhile, first we can understand this concept. Okay, what is the data analytics here? I don't want to describe like difference between data scientist, data analyst, and again data engineer. The first thing in the data analyst, we should understand these three terms: data analytics, and again data analysis, and again data analyst. What is exactly? Anyone? I prefer like Tejashwini as like who is that like Kalyani. Can you give me like a basic difference about like data analysis and again data analytics? Generally, what we heard. Okay. Generally, that terms, data analytics is a tools. Whatever the data we gather from the multiple source, right? That data will be making the visualization to the collection of tools. The data analytics tools are like multiple tools, like Power BI, Tableau, and again Google Analytics. There are like lot more tools, right? Like Prometheus, Grafana, ELK, Splunk, right? All these tools, collection of tools is called as the data analytics, and again collecting that data from the source area and again dumping into the visualization board, that is called as the data analytics. And again, meanwhile, what is the data analysis? Like example, before understanding this concept, AI, ML, DL, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and again deep learning, right? Generally, machine learning is the main concept to understand and again to making the automation with a multiple algorithms level, that is called as a machine learning. And again, what is the AI? Artificial intelligence is a subset of ML. And again, what is the deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of AI. But what exactly the deep learning subset? And again, what is the exactly deep learning of AI? We'll talk later there. But the same thing, the same concept only here also. Data analytics. What is the data analytics exactly here? If you have a data from the multiple sources, collecting the data and again dumping the data into the any kind of analytics dashboards, that is called as a data analytics. For that, we require automation. That's why we should concentrate data analytics tools, right? And again, what is the data analysis? Data analysis is a subset of data analytics, right? Again, how we are going to dumping the data without human introductions. I mean, like without any manual interpretations. In that case, it's like, no, how the data is getting, and again, what is the data I need to clean, and again, what is the data I want to mine, and again, what is the data I want to export. That is what doing the analysis with multiple methods. What are the methods of data analysis methods? We're having like a lot of data analysis methods, right? Like example, this is one: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and again, prescriptive. Depending upon this data analysis concepts, this guy will be analyzing the data. That is what he will be doing: cleaning, transforming, and again, modeling data. And again, what is a data analyst? Data analyst is a collection of, you should also understand data analytics concepts. And again, also you should understand data analysis. He is going to handle the two things here. Is it clear, right? Any confusion still now?
No, sir.
Okay. And since this is a basic terms before jumping into the topic of the data analyst. And again, now we'll talk about like data scientist, data analyst, and again, data engineer. Nowadays, data analyst and again, data engineer as a one-man show. Because, nowadays, everyone are using in the cloud, everyone are using cloud, right? So there are multiple companies that are using in cloud because all the data will be stored in the cloud only. So that's why everyone required cloud knowledge, data analyst knowledge, and again, the data engineering knowledge, and again, one of the scripting, that is a Python. If you know these four concepts, that's more than enough. Clear, right? Is it clear?
Sir, which of the four skills you mentioned?
Sorry?
Which are the four skills you have mentioned? Can you please repeat?
One of the cloud. In the cloud is like end-to-end, not required end-to-end learning of the cloud. What is the data analyst services in the cloud? Either in AWS cloud, either in Azure cloud, either in Google cloud. Clear, right? And again, next after that, in the data engineering, same thing, either in, are you heard about like cloud, right? Everyone.
Yes.
I think I want like from everyone answer. Suraj, Abhay, Abhijit,
Yes.
Manoj, I think everyone knows, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. So that's why like we should understand this concept. Data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, right? Data analyst is a past tense. What is the past tense means? You'll be working every time the past data only. Data engineer means present tense. You'll be collecting the data and again you'll be making the automations. What is the data is collecting? Any format of data is collecting, and again he is making it to the some other. You'll be collecting the data from the multiple sources in the multiple formats. Like might be he's getting the data into the CSV format. He need to convert the data into the JSON format, and it might be the data is coming from the SQL format. You should convert into the Excel format, and again the data is coming from the Excel format. You should need to convert into the CSV format, and again the same thing. You will be getting the data from the JSON format. You should convert into the paraquet format, and again he is getting the data from the paraquet. He should convert into the AVRO format. So how this can be done with the help of ETL tools from the data engineer. Now data analyst, what exactly he will do? This guy is working the previous data. I mean past data. Might there be old data, either 1 year data, 2 years data, either 1 month data, either 2 month data, but he is not working the current data. So that's why data analyst, he knows the data where exactly is they stored, and again what you want to clean, what you want to manipulate, what you want to mine, and again what you want to export. That knowledge this data analyst guy will be having with the data analysis methods. What is the methods there? Descriptive method, diagnostic method, prescriptive method, predictive methods, and again quantitative methods, qualitative methods, and again also like spatial methods. There is like multiple inferential analysis. Depending upon this analysis, you'll be collecting the data, previous data, and again after collection of this data, doing this automation with the help of data engineer, he can achieve this concept. But nowadays, everything in the cloud. So that's why we should learn data engineering concept also, data analyst concept also. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, cloud data analyst is the future. AWS, EC2, yeah, I'll be mentioning the tools also. And again, according to me, data analyst is a past, and again, data engineer is a present tense, data scientist is a future tense. What is the future tense here? This guy we understood collecting the data. This guy we understood automating the data. And again, data scientist, what you will do after these two guys has been done successfully, you'll be collecting this data, and again you'll be predicting the data in future. So how he is going to predicting the data? That is what, like, you'll be keep on training to the algorithms. How, what is exactly here? The algorithms are, everyone knows about DevOps, right? DevOps versus data apps. This is what data apps is doing. Now we should be learn. Everyone heard about DevOps?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
DevOps
Yes,
is
sir.
software development, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we need to focus. Everyone here need to focus. Everyone need to focus only the data apps. What is the data apps? Data apps focuses on breaking down slice between the data producers and again data consumers to make a data more valuable. Like example, this is what we should learn in the real-time scenario. This is the next level topics, but basically just to focus on my hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it like
Voice
Your
breaking
voice is
again.
breaking.
Voice is not clear, sir.
sorry, is it clear now? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's clear.
I'm sorry, actually, yeah. Yeah, see here, this is what like exactly. It be predicting the data with the automation wise. So that's why like we need to concentrate on is it data apps. Anyway, this will be taking like tomorrow also, this part to understand. And again, meanwhile, so this is what like basically So I'm going to cover like, end of the day, data analyst like with the Excel, SQL, Tableau, Power BI also, and again Google Analytics, and again our language. Like R and again Tableau is a out of portions, but still I'll be covering if time persists to me. And also like Python, yes, Jupyter Notebooks, and again statistical analysis, yes. And again Looker, if you want, like we can explore this one, or it's not required, okay. And again after this data analyst also, there is a cloud syllabuses. 1 second. So this is like generally I'm going to talk about like what is it like data analytics life cycle. So you'll be understanding the data. After understanding the data, after gathering the data, you should need to clean and again transform, and again you should enhance the data, and again finally you should use the tools to automate that data, dumping into the visualization dashboards. This is what is life cycle, and again the roles involved in the data analysis part, and again the cloud data here. I'm going to take this completely end to end. This syllabus also. In the AWS services, Amazon QuickSight, Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, Amazon Glue, and again Amazon RDS, and again Amazon EMR, and again Amazon Data Pipeline, Amazon S3, Amazon Lambda. Clear, right? And again, part of data engineering concepts like AWS ETL, almost like all the things equivalent to data analyst only. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, server side also definitely SSIS, SSQS also. Just like that is a OLAP and again OLTP formats. Is it clear? So can we connect to tomorrow also for demo to understand this end to end, how exactly the classes of the live classes, how to implement with the data apps, all these things. Clear, right?
Yes. Okay.
I need to jump to other class now actually. See the data apps. We should understand the data apps here. Designed to build high quality data and again analytics solutions at an increasingly accelerated pace. This is what I can to hand. Nowadays, how DevOps is booming, same thing data apps is also booming. The duration of the course, H 45 days to 60 days. Okay. So if there is no any confusions, please join tomorrow also. We'll dedicate like 1 hour of time for this complete demo. And again, meanwhile, we can understand like end to end. Yes, definitely you'll be getting like, all the study materials from my end and also like end to end. And again, this is a 5 days for a week. It's a weekdays only. And again, this is the same timings like 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Okay.
Hello,
Is it-
sir. I have
Sorry?
one question.
Yes, please.
Will the lectures will be like every day for all days in the week?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Okay. Same time, right?
Same timing. And again, don't mind that, like, you guys are having the different domains, how to switch to other domains. And again, all this, like, I'll be giving a lot of inputs. And again, meanwhile, how to crack the interviews. And again, I'll be giving the mock interviews, real-time live interview questions. And again, how to make that visualizations. And if you are a freshers, if you are having experience in the different domains, how to switch, and again, how to get a good package. If you are already getting, if you are staying in the US, if you're already getting like $60K, how to reach like more than $1 lakh. And again, if you are in India, if you are getting like 15 lakhs, how to reach like more than 40 lakhs. So I'll be giving all the inputs. And again, we'll also mean all good. Okay. Yes, SQL database also, MySQL, and also like part of NoSQL also.
So are you going to provide the recorded session?
Yes, definitely. The team will be providing recording sessions, documentations, everything. And also like meanwhile, if you register, they'll be giving the like other link. This is a demo link only, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So meanwhile, we'll have it tomorrow also. We'll understand this one, okay?
So how many days the demo classes will be?
tomorrow, the last day tomorrow only, 1 hour demo classes. Today, actually, I planned for only for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow is like 1 more hour demo classes. And again, the tools I'm going to cover, like, in depth of Excel, in depth of Power BI with the DAX models. And again, also like, Python, and again, AWS services with the data analytics, and again, data engineering, and again, the source code management tool, that is a GitHub. And again, after that, like, Power BI, and again, statistics, and also like last but least, if the time permits, R language. Clear, right?
So tomorrow's timing will be 8:30, right?
8 o'clock only, same thing.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Then again, we'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.